Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here and I'm back with another video sharing with you guys today. In this video guys, as you can tell from the title, I am on decorating. I'm taking down my Christmas tree. I'm packing away all my Christmas decors. I'm sad to see them go, but then the house does look much lighter when it doesn't have so much stuff going on in it. If you are new to my channel, welcome, a big welcome to you. My name is Stacy and check out my channel guys, and if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my family. I would really appreciate it. Thank you all very much to my returning subscribers. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping in. And as I said before guys, I am just on decorating, so it's a clean with me video and down all my Christmas bits and lightening up the place a bit. And it's a bittersweet moment because it all goes and I love my Christmas decorations. So just guys, sit back and relax and just watch me clean my house. It took me a little while to get it all done, but it was nice and refreshing after it's finished and everything is just so light and minimalistic, which is how I really like it. So as you've seen earlier guys, I was putting my wreath in my wreath bag. I got that wreath bag from Poundland and it's such a big size. It held a big wreath that I had on my door and also another small one. So it held two wreaths, which is really good. And the bag is quite sturdy as well. So I'm really pleased with that. My Poundland wreath storage bag. You can check that out if you're in the UK. You can pop into Poundland. I think it's one of their new items. So as you can see me here guys, I'm just taking down all the baubles, all the picks, all the ribbons, everything off my tree to pack it all away. So keep watching guys. Thank you all very much. Have a lovely day and be blessed. Now moving on to the stairs, I'm just going ahead and taking off some of the baubles off my garland, and then I'm just going to pack it in the box with the deco mesh on it. And I've got a big storage plastic box like the ones I put my baubles in, and it holds all my garlands and picks, etc. And these are quite big and they hold a lot. So keep watching guys, cleaning continues. Now that that's all packed away, I have enlisted the help of my daughter, and we got that all packed away. And now it's time to start cleaning. I'm just gonna go ahead, dust down, wipe down, hoover, do the whole works, and tidy up my sitting room. So keep watching, guys. Thank you all very much. I am done cleaning, guys, finally, and my sitting room is looking quite light and it's quite airy, it's quite fresh, and I'm actually enjoying this minimalistic look. So thank you all very much for watching. I enjoyed sharing my video with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well, and it might have motivated you to get up and do your takedown as well. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a lovely day and be blessed. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. On the run from my given disaster, stayed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone back now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving.